Here I have INFINIX S5, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the display, and here you have this line, I care. This is just basically the name for night mode on this device. You can just turn it here. You can also change it intensity, and you can also set a schedule for it here. You can turn it on custom time, or you can just set it from sunset to sunrise. And you can probably switch eye comfort mode here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.